In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and change the header and footer in Google Sites. Whether you're creating a website for your project, business, or personal brand, having a customized header and footer can make a significant impact on the appearance and functionality of your site. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's focus on adding a header. Open your Google Sites project to get started. Once you have your site open, look for the option labeled Add Header at the top of the page. This is typically a prominent button and is usually located in the toolbar at the top of your editing area. Click on this button and you'll notice that a blank header area appears at the top of your site. This is where you can insert text, images, or even a logo to represent your brand or website theme. Remember, the header is the first thing visitors will see, so make sure it's visually appealing and clearly communicates the purpose of your site. Next, let's move on to adding a footer. Similar to adding a header, look for an option titled Add Footer at the bottom of your page. Clicking on this will create a space at the bottom of your site, allowing you to add elements like contact information, links to social media, or any additional details you want to include. Footers are great for providing essential information without cluttering the main content of your site. They serve as a navigational aid, giving visitors a convenient way to explore other parts of your website or reach out to you. Once you've added both the header and footer, it's time to personalize them to fit your specific needs. Editing these sections is simple. Click on the area you'd like to edit. Whether it's the header or the footer, you'll see editing tools pop up. In this editing mode, you can add text, change fonts, adjust sizes, and even align the text to your liking. For the header, you might want to add a catchy title, tagline, or graphic that represents your site's identity. In the footer, consider including your contact details, a brief copyright notice, or additional navigational links. As you make these changes, don't forget to constantly preview your site to ensure the header and footer look cohesive with the rest of your design. A well-designed header and footer can vastly improve user experience by ensuring visitors can easily navigate your site and access important information. Feel free to experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can add and customize your header and footer in Google Sites, enhancing both the style and functionality of your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!